Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We got our tonight's video, or tomorrow's video, whatever time you look at it. Please like and subscribe because I don't get paid for these videos. I don't have a backer. I don't have anything. Please like and subscribe. I got like 90% of people watching these that are not subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button. And like I said, on with the video. Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here with another PlayStation repair video. We're going to go ahead and turn the TV on and test this one out and see what's going on with it. This was one of the game store ones. I can't find them, so I don't care. Looks like we got video. Yep, this controller has completely died. That's sad. It works in controller spot too. And it died. That's okay though. I'm not the one who stepped on it, so. Yes, this was a brand new controller. Somebody stepped on it. Doesn't work anymore. Worked for a little bit. No, it doesn't work at all. I didn't get an analog button, so I'm assuming one of the wires got ripped out of here. Something got pulled out of here probably. I'm not going to investigate. It's got a good shell and stuff if I wanted to put a different board in it. But I have my controller, so that's not a big deal. I have a test controller that I use. Let me get it out. I'll be right back. We're back, folks. This one doesn't, the controller port does not work on it at all, I guess. That's player 2. And that's player 1. Well, we're going to have to fix that problem. We'll see if it's got a bad controller port, which is kind of weird. This one doesn't want to stay open. Looks like the blue light's burnt out. See, there's no blue light there, guys. The LED's burned out. This is my working controller. I'll put that to the side. I know it works. I don't think this reads discs either. Somebody's been in this one before, so maybe the controller port got unhooked. I don't know. Looks like it's not even reading discs either. So, it's like we got a double whammy here. I'm just gonna try a CD really quick and a whatever. I don't think the laser's any good in this thing either. Yeah, that thing's going in slow too. I think it's got a crappy laser and a crappy controller port, but we don't. I'm not gonna put the controller port out just yet because it might be unhooked. Like I said, this wasn't my system, so I was like, oh, this one doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, this thing's not reading any discs at all. Yep, disc read error. So this thing's gonna need a laser, and we're gonna need to figure out the controller port problem. Can't play PlayStation 2 when the controller port don't work. Oh, that was weird. I got plenty of 3001 sitting there that are junk that are his too. Yeah, it ain't reading anything at all, folks. Gonna go ahead and tear this thing down. I'll be right back. We're back quick. I'm gonna show you the model and the serial number before I take this thing apart. Come on, focus. Got a SPH 30001 with a serial code of 4U4855567, and that's your PT code. Like I said, it's been opened, not by me. So let me get this thing apart and I'll be right back. Back, folks, I found the controller port problem. Like I said, I wasn't in here. It's not even hooked up. Wow, guys, wow. So I took all 8 screws out for nothing. We'll see if the ribbon cable's even hooked up in here. Probably isn't. We're gonna end up taking the entire thing apart. There you go. We've got it where the ribbon cable is not even hooked up. They just put it in here. Oh, that is. Hopefully we can salvage this said ribbon cable because I have them, but excuse my finger, but I just hope I can salvage this and get this back on the board now. Now I have to take this whole entire thing apart because somebody was being a bonehead. Like I said, this isn't my system. And I guarantee you somebody tried to switch that switch out too, and because the LED was burned out. It looks like it. This thing is wobbly as all get out. I have a switchboard. You can replace the switchboard separately from these. This isn't even in here right. That's not even in here right. Let's see if they broke the top. No, they didn't, thank goodness. Yeah, but I think I have a switchboard from a 39001 I can switch that from that had a bad button. I think I kept that one. Because you can take these off and you can switch the button boards. So that's a simple fix. This is not a simple fix because you gotta see which way the this cable goes. I know which way it goes here, but if you swap them around, you can have where player 1 won't work and player 2 will work. It's crazy. The way it looks like it was this way. I'm just hoping the Lord that they didn't screw up the bottom down there. So this whole thing's gonna have to come out to fix that. Just so I can take the bottom part of the motherboard off. Yeah, you heard me right, folks. Gotta take the motherboard cover off. Come on. Yes, I took all the screws out because I knew something was up. Is this gonna separate? No, breaking the case. There we go. All this because it didn't read discs. I mean, come on, guys. Did they mess that up? No, they didn't. Hopefully I can get that in there and shove it in there without too much hassle. Let me see if I can do it this way. I'll be right back. Alright, folks, I don't want to save the despair of having to take all this apart to show you. It's in there. Hopefully this ribbon cable's still good. Or I get to, excuse me, sorry. Or I get to do it twice. I'll do it off camera. There's a little one that goes here. little black one that goes there. All the rest of the screws are the same. So I'm going to go ahead and get this back together. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. Sorry, I got my finger out of the camera here. Sorry. I got my donor button board out. This is one that broke on a video a long time. Well, come on, focus. This one broke a long time ago. The blue LED is good. I'm going to show you guys how to replace a button board quick. See that middle screw? You take it out. I'm not going to give them the whole entire cable or nothing. It's also how you fix the switch, by the way. Let me get this off and I'll show you the progress. So let me see if I can pinch this up so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Can we see? No. Get my finger out of the way. Now you can see. I believe you guys can see. If I get my feet out of the way and stuff here. There we go. Now you guys can see. You take this out. Make the phone one that fell. Sorry about that. It's a bigger one. Interesting. Let me see, I got a bigger screwdriver here. Let's try the next size up. I guess one doesn't want to come off. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. I might have to go get my other kit. Oh, it's bigger. It's a bigger screw. Yeah, that's how you replace these button boards, guys. That comes off. That comes off. I don't know if that ribbon cable's going to come out. I don't think this one's going to. Nope, this one's not. This one's not replaceable. This one's part of the button board. I wonder if this one is too. Nope, this one's not. Wow. This one, your SOL apparently. This is out of 39001. This one is SW8932. This one's replaceable. Looks like it anyway. I see. Yeah, power button's broke. It broke on me when I was trying to reassemble one once. I want to see what switchboard this one is. So I don't remember these being replaceable, folks. I think this one's out of a newer one. Let's not break those, because that thing is a piece of art there. If this is SW365, this one is SW382. 382s are not replaceable. SW365. Let me see if it'll focus. These are replaceable. This one, for some reason, is not. I'll keep that in mind. Nevertheless, this one actually works. Yep, eject LED does. So that cable's going to go into something else, I guess. That's how you replace your button boards. That's why I don't yank on stuff. This one's still loose. That's how you replace the button board on the newer style. This is a newer style button board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this back on this housing with the broken board, knowing that it's got a bad LED. Like I said, people don't know that the blue function's there. The eject function's on, they'll think it's broke. Yeah, I think this one was out of a newer PlayStation. Yeah, anyways, that's how you replace your board. I'm sorry that the phone fell. I'm sorry that my camera fell. So, yes, I use my phone as a camera. I'm gonna go ahead and swap the cable out with this one. You guys don't need to see that because now I gotta tip it up and all that bull crap. Make sure this is in here right. It's a big pain in the noggin. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. I got it back together finally. Let's plug in the thing and see if this thing's got a controller. And we can see what's going on with the disc reading problem. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if I fix the other problem. Look at that, we got a blue light now. Fantastic. Let's see if we got a controller. Yeah, this one's still dead. See if it works in controller too. Might as well get my other one. Yeah, this one's dead. See if my working controller works. Alright guys, sorry about that. My other camera died. I'm going to show you that the controller support and all works after plugging it back in. So we're going to go ahead and put a disc in it and see if it works. Let's see what the issue is with this thing. As you can tell right down there, we do have a blue light now. We do have an eject light, which is great. Go to the browser menu. I just want to see if it errors out. If it errors out, we're just going to change the laser. Yeah, looks like she's going to discrete error. Yeah, they destroyed this console just because it didn't read disk. Yep, discrete error. Alright, we're going to go ahead and change the laser out on this thing. Sorry about my fingers. I get this set right so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll go ahead and get this out of here. I'm just happy we've got a blue light on the PlayStation. I didn't want it to go back in. Go ahead and get this prepped for surgery here. You guys gonna see me change the laser out on camera. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. Wrong screwdriver. Yeah, my other camera died. Sorry about that. I usually use my phone. My phone wasn't fully charged, and that's my fault. We're just gonna go ahead and swap this shitty B, excuse my language, shitty B laser out. So I guarantee it's a shitty B laser. Yes, you can put a B instead, C instead of a B laser in these. I've done it several times. Yep, KHS 400B. Go ahead and get the rail out. Nope, I'm not talking to fuck with the cogwheel. Everybody tells you, oh, you can screw with the cogwheel. Don't do it. And then you go find out that's not your problem. Oh, you can clean the laser. Don't do that either. It doesn't work. I only do that on the 400Rs because of the fact of the matter is I can't find any. And sometimes you get lucky. Looks like this one's been messed with. It's a little greasy there. Somebody was trying to fix this thing by lubing the frickin' rails. Morons. Like I told you, this thing will focus on it. It doesn't have autofocus, sorry. It's a KHS 400B. We're going to swap it to a KHS 400C. This one's already prepped and ready to go. I don't have to take the anti-static off because I had it in another PlayStation for testing purposes to find out I had a bad board. Yep, a bad board. Gay, right? So I told you not all PlayStation 2s are a fix, but I show you either way. Go ahead and put our stuff on. And all lasers out of the shot. Here, I'll move it. There you go, lasers in the shot. This is the crucial part here. Don't lose that screw. You ain't gonna find another one. This one. Hopefully I can get this one in the same shot. Oh, the magnets caught it. These are a pain in the butt to put back in, as you can tell. So I usually go laser swap complete because I can sit here for 5 minutes screwing with this screw. Get in there. Oh, got it. Hooray, we got it. What I do is this. I go all the way down. And I go up. About that much for adjustment. Make sure she's open. Make sure I can put it back in the hole. Make sure it's all the way in so it doesn't come out. Go ahead and put it back in there. Push bowl back in. Put our screw back in. If you don't lose the dang thing like I just did. Luckily there's no hole in this board. Oh, there it goes, right down the hole. Dang it. That's what happens, guys, when you're drawing too fast. Gotta fall all the way down. Ouch. I can't see. You don't want that in there to cause a short circuit, trust me. Let's see if I can pull this out quick and see if I can see it. That fell through. Should be in the back of the expansion bay. This is the fun part. Ah, dang it. Trying to shake it out of there. There's a fourth one now. So that screw is vital to be in there or that rail's going to keep popping out. Go and plug all this quick. Plug it back in since I'm in hands-free mode. There it is. Said take your time. Take your time, everything will be alright. Fire rock. Let's plug all this back in now. because we're going to have to sit there and do some fine-tuning. You won't get it the first time every time, let me tell you. Get out of here, you dumb fly. Go ahead and do my pop-out trick. Open the tray up. Go ahead and try a DVD game, see what it does now. Now these ones are weird, they check for CDs first. And there it goes. This did not read anything before. This thing did autofocus. I don't know why I didn't autofocus before, guys. Let's see if I can put this on my knee quick so you guys can see this. No, we don't care. Sorry for monkeying with the camera here. I'm trying to get you the best shot. This is not responding. No, it did. Me hitting the wrong buttons doesn't help. Like I said, my other camera, aka phone, died. I will get the footage off of it and I will combine it with this one. Please like and subscribe. I don't get paid to do these videos. I just do them because it's a hobby of mine, and I figured I'd take you on the journey with me to show you that every PlayStation 2...
Speed. One winner, 4 losers.
That every PlayStation 2 has a different issue. Every day PlayStation 2 is not just a laser. The 3000R models, 5 series aren't any worth fixing. I just use them for parts. It looks like this one's just fine. Looks like its controllers are working just fine. We got rumble. So we're going to go ahead and hit stop on that one. Finger out of the way. Get you set up so you can see me switching the discs. I'm going to go ahead and hit reset. Yeah, that button thing's kind of cranky, but I'm gonna leave it the way it is. That was a DVD. Go ahead and put a CD-ROM in here. Like I told you, this did not read discs before. Disc is in. There she goes. Whoop. Another PlayStation 2 saved from the grave, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, when you can find reliable C-style lasers, buy them up. Because they're NLA. You find new old stock, you buy them up. I said then you can start selling them for $120, $130 5 years down the road when there is none left. Sony discontinued the lasers. They don't sell them anymore. Like I said, I tried to keep this what do you want to say? Not lengthy, but sometimes on these repairs they can be lengthy. That's great news that I could fix this with a laser and a ribbon cable reattachment. Controller ports are hard to find, and I have some in the back there, but I don't give them away. I don't give them away, let me tell you. Let's go ahead and start this puppy up. I'm letting you know that I'm also shooting these in 4K, by the way. So if you have a 4K monitor, you can watch in 4K. Or if you have a 4K TV. Because there's a YouTube app.
Welcome to Ford Racing 3.
We don't care.
Single player. Ford Company. Movie car chases. Car selected.
Like I said, you can switch the button boards. You can do anything you want. Come on, focus. And I'll show you this thing has rumble. And that controller is officially dead, so I can't sell it. Unless somebody wants it for parts, I'll give it to them. I have a feeling that the membrane inside went bad.
3, 2, 1,
And I'll let it crash into the wall so I can show you that it... There's your rumble. Alright, let's check a PlayStation disc, huh? Enough of that bull crap. Go ahead and reset here. And this, no. Yeah, this one's irritating me. That's a flag issue. I'm just letting you know that that's a hyperextensive flag. You can't really fix those without replacing the eject motor assembly, flag assembly on these. People all go, oh yeah, you can fix the belt and all. No. It's not the belt, guys. Uh-oh. Come on. There you go. See, I don't know why it does that. Now to read it as a PlayStation disc. Come on, load, you little turd. There it goes. These ones take a little while to read a PlayStation disc. I don't understand. It's an older model. I don't ask questions. But there it goes. So don't get too excited when she starts monkeying like that. It might need a fine-tuning adjustment, but I can do that off camera. The one and only Rage Racer.
Rage Racer.
Rage Racer. It's one of my favorite racing games, guys. I play this a lot on my backwards compatible system. I don't even use that system anymore since I got my backwards compatible PlayStation 3. I'm probably going to take all my game saves off of that and put them over there. There's actually a transfer thing for that.
Racers, start your engines.
I think you can also use that for putting your cards in too and just using the cards. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to get one. We're going to review it and see. That'd be nice. 3 laps to go. It works. Woo! I'll go ahead and reset this. If it does the same thing again. Like I told you, this thing is weird when it comes to that stuff. See, that's what it does. I might have to adjust it a little bit. I might have to. Just a little. A little high. Yeah, we're going to adjust it a little bit. I think we're a little low. Go ahead and hit the reset. Yeah, we're a little low for PlayStation discs. I'll have to dial it in. Like I said, you gotta remember this thing had a B-style laser in it, folks. See, I need to dial this in. So we're gonna dial it in quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit reset. Open it up. You gotta remember this thing had a B-style laser and the B-style heights on them are a little bit higher. Still gotta go up higher. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it all the way down, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a half a turn. Go ahead and adjust it some more to where she locks out. And then we're gonna go like 3/4 turn. Go ahead and hit the reset. Like I said, this is a process, everybody. It's not just whatever. The older ones took a little while, about a minute to read PlayStation disc. See, it takes a little bit for it to realize what it is on the older ones. I don't know why. Older firmware. As you can tell, it loads. So we're gonna go ahead and put a DVD in it, a DVD movie. And then we're gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna put this in because I don't care about it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. That's annoying me. Shouldn't be doing that at all. And it's got a flag problem. The flags on these are separate. I have an old drive with a better flag and a better eject motor. It always looks for a CD base game first on the older ones, spins it up, sees it's not, it'll turn it backwards and turn the diode on. Or did this one die? Oh, I already turned the DVD diode on already. See, it's faster with DVDs for some reason, but the CD-ROMs, I don't know why. The older ones are like that, but I don't ask questions. I just fix them, and once they work, they go out the door, so. These older ones are usually an easy fix, usually. The boards were better quality, every chips was better quality. Like I said, I'm sorry about this. Oops, I hit the stop button. That was my fault. We're gonna hit play again. I know my hands gets in the way sometimes. This probably won't be up till early Monday morning. For some reason, YouTube takes forever to upload 4K videos. I don't know why. No, it's playing. There you go. There you go, guys. There you go. She's working just fine. Just a couple of problems. We had a disconnected controller port. We had a bad laser. I mean, that's the simplest fix you can ever get, is having a bad laser. Like I said, the bad controller port cable being unhooked was a stupid thing to do. Like I said, I don't condone taking these apart. I just get into them and I find out what's wrong with them, and that's it. Like I said, like and subscribe, guys. I'm trying to get some more subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get people to realize that these are worth repairing instead of throwing them in the dump. Yeah, boards are hard to find. The custom chips, when their custom chips are bad, you can always find another PlayStation that you can fix. I mean, you can use the other one for parts, because you know these little rinky-dinky parts in here, you can't get them anymore from Sony. Sony won't sell them to you. Sony won't make them for you. Sony won't do anything for you. They have basically told the end user to screw off, and that's what I think is ridiculous, and that's why Right Repair should be around and available to people, because they should be able to buy these chips pre-programmed. They should be able to buy these chips and just get them put on by anybody who's qualified. But they don't want people messing with their stuff. So, rant over. Like I said, thanks for whatever, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.